Hello everyone, welcome to another video. So you want to go and you want to transfer your sub account in GoHighLevel to another GoHighLevel account, or you just simply want to transfer the data. Well, in this video I will show you how to do this. It's going to be really simple. Obviously, before we get started, you will need an access to GoHighLevel. Obviously, if you already have an access, that's fine. However, if you want access to GoHighLevel, you can get our 30-day free trial link down below. So definitely check it out. We highly recommend GoHighLevel for everyone that is in the marketing space. So let's get started. First of all, you will need to be in the agency account, which we are. We can go to sub accounts, and the first thing that you want to do is you want to click on three dots on the sub account that you want to transfer. So for us, it's going to be Dentistry at the Heights. We can click Manage Client. Once we go to the client, right here, as you can see, we'll have the action. So we can actually load snapshot, delete this sub account, pause it, or we can transfer it. If we click transfer here, as you can see, you will need to obviously read and consent to sub account transfer guidelines. Make sure to read this completely because again, some data points and informations can get lost in the process. So click I have read and understood the above guide and consent to all the limitations. And then you can just go here and you need to enter a receiving agency's relationship number. So how are you going to find that? As you can see from here, we already did this. So you will need to enter the relationship number. Now the relationship number, again, can be found in the settings. So as you can see here, enter the relationship number of the agencies that you need to transfer the sub account to. So obviously for that, you can go, let me just go back here and let me go to settings. And I think on your profile, or no, on the company side of things, you will be able to find, let me just go here and let me go back. So basically, if you go to the agency account that you want to transfer the sub account to, go to the company, and here you will be able to see a relationship number. So just copy that relationship number, and whenever you are, let me go back to the sub account, whenever you're going here into the manage client for that specific transferring of the sub account, and whenever you want to basically go and transfer that sub account, you will need to enter that relationship number. So as you can see here, it needs to go the relationship number from that particular sub account. Now from there, obviously a request will be sent to receiving agency upon confirming the action. So you will need to confirm it on your end or on the end where you're sending or transferring the sub account. If it's to another GoHighLevel agency account that you own, then you need to do that. You need to confirm it. If it's on an agency account that someone else owns, maybe your client or whatever, then they will need to confirm it as well. So obviously the tracking now, in order to track your sub account transfer requests, you need to go to the agency level and sub accounts and just go to sub account transfers. So for this, basically you can go here. Let me just go back. If I go to sub accounts here, I think, yeah, I can go here, sub account transfer, and then as you can see, I can see all the sub accounts that are transferring and that are sent. So basically none of these are sent because I haven't yet sent it. However, you will be able to see them like this. So this is how it's going to look like for you. If you have like one pending or if it's completed, then that's pretty much it. So obviously from within the app, only one sub account can be transferred at a time. So make sure you're not doing this in bulk. Obviously you can do in bulk, but it will have some complications. So obviously after that, as you can see, these are the steps to receive a sub account from another agency. So if you need to send this to someone to accept and review request, this is how it's going to look like. So this is the email or the action required that they will need to have, and they will need to click on review request, and they will need to just go to the agency level sub accounts and click the sub account transfer option, and they will be able to see if they can approve or decline. So obviously you'll go and approve it, and that's pretty much it. You will have all the transformation or all the information and assets transferred over with your sub account. So that's pretty much it, right? You have one part that is sending the sub account, you have another party that is accepting the sub account. So again, if you're doing this on your own agency account, it's going to be pretty easy. But if you're doing this with someone else, make sure someone else is on the call with you while you're doing this. It's going to be much easier. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Again, if you need access to GoHighLevel, we have 30-day free trial access for everyone that wants to try GoHighLevel for completely free. So definitely check that out, and we'll see you in the next GoHighLevel video. Thank you guys for watching.